Hi again, this is Sami. This is a pawn request. Somebody just sent me this. They didn't know how to do it. There you go. It's this here. It's a difference of squares. So you factor it into secant squared theta minus tan squared theta secant squared theta plus tan squared theta. Secant squared theta from your identity sheet, it equals 1. So that is just 1. So that's gone. So you end up with secant squared theta plus tan squared theta. Now what I would do if I was you, I will change secant squared theta to 1 plus tan squared theta. And then you still have that plus tan squared theta. Now it's 1 plus 2 tan squared theta, because that adds up to give you 2 tan squared theta. And at this stage, I think I'm left with nothing but to change this to sine over cos. So I have 1 plus 2 sine squared over cos squared theta. What I'm going to do after that, I'm going to do common denominator, and the common denominator is cos squared theta. That's over 1. So cos squared divided by 1 is cos squared times 1 is cos squared. So I'm going to get cos squared theta plus 2 sine squared theta. Now you see that cos squared on the bottom, I could take it out as the greatest common factor. It'll come out as 1 over cos squared theta. And you still have the cos squared theta plus 2 sine squared theta inside the brackets. Now 1 cos squared theta, just secant squared theta. And then we still have the cos squared theta plus 2 sine squared theta inside the bracket. And basically that's what that is. That's the same as secant squared theta, 2 sine squared theta plus cos squared theta. This is the same thing, even though it's written backwards. And that's what we needed to prove. So there you go. I hope you understand this explanation and you do well in your test. Don't forget, hit the like button, subscribe, and share with others so they could benefit. Thank you. Bye-bye.